As you can tell by the video title, this is going to be a hair-based tutorial slash what I do or when I have a sew-in and how I take out my leave out and the weave itself. So I had this in my hair since January 24th and we are in March. So that's about 2 months I have this in my hair. And it's been holding up pretty well, you know, I can't really complain. My hair has been growing, edges, baby hair is all that has just been growing. I've been oiling my hair with the Mielle oil. This is the rosemary mint scalp hair strengthening oil. I've been using this oil for years since I did my big chop, but with TikTok and like social media and everything, this oil really has been like the top of the market. So just to let y'all know, the oil is really good. I'm gonna start off by just oiling my scalp a little bit before washing. And now I'm gonna section my real hair from the weave. And we have the hairs on the sides. Any type of leave out, I'm going to separate it from the weave. The weave and my real hair is now separated. I can put this into a little ponytail. And I got a lot of new growth in the back as well. And for right now, we're just gonna twist this up. So when we apply the oil, we're not gonna apply it to where my leave out is because I made sure to keep my leave out oiled prior to me washing it today because I knew that I was gonna wash my hair today and I didn't want to add oil to my actual hair today because that's gonna get washed. This is where the oil is gonna be going. Only thing we really getting wet is the weave itself and my leave out. My hair that's inside of the braids, we're not getting that wet. I've been trying to take a break from the oil when it came down to moisturizing my braids because I didn't want the weave itself to look too oily. But, you know, I still gotta make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized and oiled because it is in a protective style. So now I'm really taking advantage of putting that oil throughout my scalp. And I'm just gonna massage it in there. My hair drinks oil like it's nothing, so I can oil my scalp one day and the next day it's completely dry. So today I want to make sure I add a lot of oil so that I don't have to worry about my hair drying out or anything like that. Today we really ODing with the oil. Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. I'm swinging it like it's my real hair or something, but with these weaves and these wigs and stuff, you really gotta take care of this hair like it's your real hair so that it can last long. But you know, for the girlies out there that know what I mean, y'all know. But to keep my hair from becoming extra oily, mainly the weave, I use the dry shampoo. Any brand is good, but I just got any type of dry shampoo, but this smells really good. And you know, it's good for if your hair is too oily or just to freshen it up to make it smell good if it's stinking. Some people are probably gonna be like, yeah, she's doing too much, she's doing a lot, but I like to make sure that I get every section thoroughly. So I like to part my weaves into 4, like how I would do my real hair, so I can focus on each section. This is a small section. That's okay.
My girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa.
This is good too. But the first section I'm going to start on is this one. So now we are ready to wash my hair. And I'll see y'all when it's time to wash my hair later. For the weave, we are going to be using the Keratin Soothing Oil Conditioner along with the Keratin Smooth Oil Shampoo and some silicone mix. For my leave out, I'm going to be using the Mielle Rosemary Strengthening Hair Mask along with the shampoo. And I'm going to be going in with the Biotin Pro Growth Conditioner.
only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling. People say I drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no
Hair is now washed. Now it's time to go in with the conditioner. My shirt is soaked, but that's okay because we're gonna change that soon.
such thing as too fast. People say I drive too fast, move too fast,
This is also gonna act as a leave-in conditioner.
live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. Living at the speed of light, like a bullet. I could be there by the morning. I can't call it, so I ain't got no time. Wait,
I do not like this shirt at all.
I've been down and out for too long, and I ain't got too many options. Too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast.
Just a tiny bit more.
People say I drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast.
Okay, but can we get into my nails though? Just the top clear coat just makes your nails look so clean. Like, I'm gonna be doing my nails this week, so that's why they look like this. But I didn't want to get on camera and my nails look crazy, but they just look so clean and healthy. Like, the shine is just, it's giving. This is all the shedding from the weave. It wasn't too bad. Let's see if my hair curls. I doubt it because I probably got mad heat damage, but it's okay because it's just hair and it'll grow back. A lot of people don't really like using this for their natural hair, but I did my research on it and it's actually really good for your hair. Silicone mix also works as a heat protectant. For those that don't know, this mix shares some of the same ingredients as the heat protectants. So if you would like to know more, I would suggest you guys do your research before purchasing this particular item, but it works for me and I'm pretty sure it'll work for you. I did my silk press with this a few times and it came out really, really nice. If anything, it brings my curls back. It makes my hair straight whenever I use it. This is what my hair was looking like after straightening my hair just about every day and adding heat to it. I'm talking high heat almost every day. My curls are back. heat protectant. I'm going to be putting this heat protectant on my leave out and also on the weave. I like to put my heat protectant on when the hair is still kind of damp. I just feel like you just get better results that way. I'm not really sure of the science behind that, but it works for me. And maybe you guys should try it. End up trying it and it does work for y'all, let me know. I'm going to be using a hot comb from the Beauty Supply store. This brand is Maxi. I'm not really sure if this is like a known brand or whatever, but I feel like it's a cheap hot comb and it gets the job done. So I'm going to be using this along with my Baby Bliss Titanium Flat Iron. I love this thing. I'm going to be doing the chase method. I'm going to be going in with the Bio Silk Serum. Just a tiny bit, not too much.
You made me wanna be, all the things that you made me
is finally straightened and I'm loving it. The body of the hair is bodying. It's a little bit of frizz, but we're gonna get rid of that. And that was the Bio Silk that I just put on my hair. I had this wax stick for about 3 years now, and I just use this to lay down my flyaways. I'm going to be going in with my Got2b gel. This is not glue, this is gel. So we're going to take a tiny bit like this, and then you're going to want to put it on your edges.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm hurt. Most of the things I don't wanna say.
I really like how my hair turned out. It turned out really nice. It turned out better than what I expected. I had these bundles for about 3 or 4 years now, and it still looks really, really nice. When I say that silicone mix really does the job, it gets the job done, and I highly recommend if you want to use it on your weave or on your natural hair, because it works really good on both your natural hair and on extensions. I just want to say thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one later.